Hiya, Ceryl o Byw'n Iach Arfon efo Cyngor yr Wythnos I chi. Hi, it's Ceryl here from Byw'n Iach Arfon with your tip or advice of the week. Ydych chi'n yfed digon o ddŵr? A sut ydych chi'n gwybod? So, are you drinking enough water? And how do you find out if you are? Ffordd haws i neud o, an easier way to do it. Mwy o ddŵr ydych chi'n yfed yn y dydd, goleuach bydd eich PP chi'n mynd. Lliw'ch PP chi. So the more water you drink during the day, you'll notice that your urine sample will be a bit much lighter. So mae hynna'n dangos bod y corff yn hydrated. So that shows you your body's hydrated. And that's what we need to keep the body hydrated. Cadw'r corff yn hydrated. Os da chi'n sylwi bod eich PP chi'n dywyll, if you notice that your urine sample is really dark, mae hynna yn signal I chi bod chi ddim yn yfed digon o ddŵr. That shows you or gives you a signal that you're not drinking enough water and that your body is dehydrated. So mae hynna'n dangos bod y corff yn dehydrated. So, yfed digon o ddŵr, triwch gael eich PP chi lliw gola. So drink enough water, get your urine sample as light coloured as possible to keep your body hydrated, I cadw'r corff yn hydrated. Iawn? So, ffwr â chi wan, off we go, get some water down here, gael dŵr law chi, a cadw lliw eich PP chi'n ola. Keep your urine colour really light. Mae yfed mwy o ddŵr yn helpu efo math eraill o bethau yn eich corff hefyd. Mae o'n clirio'r croen, o'n cadw chi ddeffro. Da chi'n teimlo efo fwy egni. Mae o hefyd yn ffiwlio'r cyhyra a hefyd yn clirio ychydig bach gwastraff extra sydd gennych chi rownd eich digestive system eitho flusio hynna I gyd allan. A hefyd beth sy'n bwysig ydy mae'n cadw performance chi yn uwch na fysa fo fel arfer. So drinking in more water will help benefit other parts of the body as well. It clears your skin, keeps you more alert. It also helps fuel the muscles and also gets rid of that extra toxins and stuff in your digestive systems, helps flushes it all out a bit quicker. And as well, it keeps your performance level higher than it would be usually. Iawn, os da chi ddim yn yfed digon o ddŵr, nwch chi sylwi ma'ch ceg chi'n mynd yn sych, gyda chi cur yn pen, da chi ddif yna, da chi teimlo di blino, da chi methu cysgu iawn, da chi'n agitated, a da chi'n colli lot o concentration. Iawn, so if you're not drinking enough water, you'll notice you get a dry mouth, feeling tired all the time, you can't be bothered doing anything, you just want to sleep, you feel knackered and fatigued. So make sure that you drink enough water, da chi'n efo digon o ddŵr, cyn gweithgared, so cyn y workout, ganol y workout, ac enwedig syth ar ôl y workout drwy'r dydd. So make sure you drink enough water before your workout, during your workout, and especially after your workout, and throughout the rest of the day, cos mae yn gweithio pob rhan o'r corff. It does work every part of your body.